Are you welcoming visitors to your company? Step 1. Effortlessly prepare for guest arrival by pre-programming their details within the DigitalHQ app, providing a seamless and convenient check-in experience at the reception. Receive notification when they are inside the office building. Step 2. Welcome your guests. Secure spaces or workstations for the visitors. Easily manage their seating arrangements or allow them to make their own reservations. Step 3. Create an environment where your guests feel as comfortable as they do in their own company branch. Elevate the guest experience with DigitalHQ.